take on this abandoned sunnah, which is unfortunately leaving children abandoned, leaving Muslim children and other children in very difficult situations. And alhamdulillah, this is all to the credit of the brothers and sisters who have been really trying to push for this seminar for a very long time. I think the implications of it are very big indeed. And we're going to try to cover all aspects of it, inshaAllah ta'ala, all aspects of this topic, and really address it, some ways that are spiritually enabling and some ways that are practically enabling, inshaAllah ta'ala. And alhamdulillah, we have with us Sister Sarah Haidar from New Star Kafala Agency, and she will be able to give us sort of that logistical roadmap, inshaAllah ta'ala, to actually be able to go forth with this practice for those of us who are interested, inshaAllah ta'ala. And if anything, everyone leaves this room renewed, and everyone leaves this seminar renewed with this sunnah, inshaAllah ta'ala, and we have changed our perceptions. And even if we can save one Muslim child, one child that's in a difficult situation, then I would consider it a success indeed. I have a PowerPoint. I'm not usually a PowerPoint type of person, but inshaAllah it makes it easy for those to follow along, to take notes, those that want to take notes, inshaAllah ta'ala. But when we talk about adoption and foster care, just to sort of give you the way the seminar is going to play out, inshallah. For the first hour to an hour and a half, we'll see, inshallah, how quickly I talk and how much I'm able to cover in the first session. We're going to focus on the virtues. And when I say the virtues, I want us to be spiritually enabled, because I do believe, and I think it's part of our tradition, that if the heart is angled right, then everything else will fall into place. And I know that we've been to a lot of fundraisers about orphans and sponsoring an orphan overseas, and I'm not undermining that at all. In fact, many of these ahadith do in fact talk about the reward of financially sponsoring an orphan. I think there is always room for that, and we should grow in that. And I only hope that this seminar would only push you further towards that, inshaAllah ta'ala. But hopefully by going in depth into the virtues of this entire subject, of taking on an orphan, of offering that service of adoption and foster care, inshaAllah ta'ala, we feel more at ease with it within our hearts, and we feel like we're enabled. Then we'll go into the fiqh aspects of it, the legal questions surrounding this particular issue. And then inshaAllah we will go into the practical aspects of it, where Sister Sarah will take over, inshaAllah ta'ala, and there will be questions that will arise throughout the seminar. Anyone that is that's online, the hashtag for this is Adoption Seminar. So any tweets with gems, reflections, lessons, questions, you can use the hashtag, inshaAllah ta'ala, which is Adoption Seminar. So